All right, good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday. Unfortunately, didn't have any trades yesterday, which you could have caught if you were with me on the Twitch channel. Did have a lot of fun, though, over on the Twitch channel. So if you guys want to join there, make sure you go and hit the link down below. Also, got some new merch in yesterday. Got to take a look at it. It's the brand new Robin Hood Sucks t-shirt. I think it looks pretty cool. Gonna be rocking that. There's also a link to that down in the description below if you guys want to take a look at some of that stuff. But for today, hopefully, let's trade. Alright, should be getting ready to open any moment now here in FLGC. It halted at 624. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get short here. Got it at 630 on FLGC. Would be looking for under 6 on the cover. Otherwise, we'll see if it'll give a spot for an ad. See if we can flush under 6 here, FLGC. Not a support here, 606, see if we can break. Okay, all out there, FLGC. Not a huge win, but I'll take it. At least finally got a trade in here. Now maybe we can get some momentum going. Alright, see if I can get in here on Sava, 135.88. Alright, in here, we'll see what it does. Only 30 shares. Look for through 137 on the ad. Alright, adding in there. Average at 136.44 with 60 whole shares. Alright, let's see if we can get a fill here. I'm on the bid. No fill there yet. Man, that's disappointing. Alright, I'm going to take 75% off there. We'll see if the remaining shares can break this 135.50. Man, that was annoying. We'll look for below, of course now it goes. We'll look for below 135 here on the rest. Let's go 134.75. Alright, so all out there in Sava finally. That volume and spread was tough to play, but at least green on it. QFIN popping here. See if it pushes closer to 26.50. All right, I'm going to start QFIN here, 26.84. For an add up towards 27.50. All right, gonna add in there. Now I have 200 at 27.16. And the final would be up through 28. All right, so in here, 27.75, 400 shares. And now we'll have to come out with the plan of the stop, unless it comes back down. $27.75 is the average. See if we can get under 27.50. Beautiful. Gonna. Oh, I thought I was getting it down in 30s. All right, out 3/4 there, down to 100 shares. See if we can get another 50 out under 27.20. Beautiful. Got that. Down to 50 shares. Let's look for those under 27. All right, down to 25 shares. Look for 15 at 26.6. And otherwise, there's 25, stop at 27.51. All right, let's see if we can get 15 out, 10 cents lower here. 26.60. Actually going to take another half right here. And we'll set a goal on those 12 at 26.4. And a stop over 27.20. All right, and I'm just going to let that one sit. So, hey, finally a decent trade here in QFin. Got the full 112 in there. Glad I waited around a couple more minutes. See if we can break 26.50 and get my 26.40 fill. I'm going to trail my stop down a little bit now to over 90, over that previous candle. Just ensuring a little bit more profits here in case it doesn't. Okay, so all out here in QFin. All right, guys, so I'm going to call it a day there. Oh my gosh, maybe it's the new t-shirt with the green on it, finally bringing in some decent luck on the day. And here I was thinking I was going to possibly end with a $30 trade on the first one in FLGC, which was a beautiful alert coming off the Intensity Stock Watch scanner this morning. It was a recent IPO hitting all-time highs. It had 42 million on the float, so I didn't know what its real potential was, so it took it pretty light there with only 100 shares at 6:30 coming out of the halt resume. It popped up a little bit, didn't get an ad in there, unfortunately. I was probably looking for a little bit higher than 660 at that point, probably closer to 7 on an ad if it had gotten up there, but then flushed down and got me my target of under $6 there on the move. So just taking a quick $30 there on FLGC. I did have to pay for locates on that one. I think they were $1.80 per share if I didn't say it in what gets edited into the video or not. Then Sava popped a little bit here as the day went on. Not until, when did we start that trade? Not until 11 o'clock. So I took that first trade at 9:48 and then waited till 11 o'clock. I was literally about to shut it down on the day when saw a little opportunity in her. Sava was very spready. It was hard to play. That's why I took that one, very small share size of just 30. And 30 was in for only a total of 60 shares there. And as it turned out, the spread just made it almost impossible to get the fills I was looking for. I don't know if I got it in or edited or not, but my original cover order was at 135.55, and I was literally on the bid several times with no fill before I finally gave up and started trying to get out there. So, but then QFIN finally popped here, a big pop here in QFIN, hitting on the scanner very nicely, and got the full 112 entry here. So was getting ready to get my stop plan in. Originally it was going to be over 29 after this initial entry, but after this candle the stop would have been over the highs. I think I was going to set it at 28.60, but nicely it gave the sell off here. Would have liked to get some of these a little bit lower, but overall can't complain about that one. Making $140 here on QFIN, coming directly off of the scanner. I like it a lot, making $140 there. So on the day, making over 200. Haven't had a $200 green day in a minute. Needed one, especially after not trading all day yesterday. I'll take it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you follow me on Twitch. Hit subscribe here. I'll see you tomorrow.